Really? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening another Real Littles. I am really excited for this. And before we start the video, go ahead and follow mocho.mango and x.moi.x on TikTok. Go ahead and go follow that. And further ado, we are unboxing a Real Littles. I am so excited for this. We finally got scissors instead of a pencil or my fingers. So let's go ahead and start to open. But before we open this, I'm going to be showing you what the box looks like. As you can see, it looks really nice, and it says that there's 4 hidden surprises in this box. So you can't just see them, and that to make it fun. And here we have some dots. It doesn't work, it's just fake, but it's really cool. So let's go ahead and start to open it. And this is rare, by the way. I really hope I get that one. Now let's get ahead and start to open this ginormous thing. It's like they're in a vending machine. I always break the box. I see the 4 hidden surprises. We are going to open the 4 hidden surprises after these because I just want to show you how nice it's like. I love the Pringles. It looks so adorable. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. And you can open the lid, but if there's nothing inside, it's right beside here. So here's what the Pringles look like. It looks really adorable. And you can put it inside. Actually, I'm gonna put it out. There you go. Now we're going to be opening the Rice Krispies. I love this box. It looks really adorable. It's a little yellow, but I love it. Here it is. It should be a little yellow too. Because like in the box, it's a little yellow and like peach, like that. But this one's white. It's really nice. And I'm gonna show you like right here. And I'm going to show you this after all of these. I'm so excited for this one. If I can get it without it. Oh, hot dogs! We got hot dogs. Here it is. Here's the hot dog. And now, it looks so ugly, doesn't it? This chocolate is real. Here we have a hot dog. It is really cute. I love it. It has like mustard and good cheese. Like, I love it. There's no ketchup. I love to eat ketchup on my hot dogs too. Or I don't know if it moves, I don't know. I wasn't watching it. I can move it. Now for the next one. I have a duplicate. Yes. No, I mean, no, we have a duplicate. Okay. This is the box. It looks really good. It's plastic. So, and this one's cardboard, and this is all of them is plastic except this one because it's cardboard. What was that? And here's my duplicate. It's the same as the other one. It's a duplicate from here, but I'm just gonna put this back over there. Now for the next. Okay, I'm just gonna fix this so you guys can see. So you guys can see that. I'm really clumsy, I'm just saying. Okay, next we have popsicle. I just bought this. And here's the popsicle. I love this color. This looks really nice. I think it's great flavor. Where's the face? Oh, there. And it's melting. That looks really cute. Now we have Slurpee. I had to wait for that moment. So, and here it is. And here's like, I have a blue kind Slurpee. I don't have this kind of Slurpees where I live, so. I thought it would fall. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna put that inside. I think they have the same face. Okay, so time for the mysteries. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. Here they are. I'm gonna open. Just gonna put that aside. I'm going to open this first. Finally, with my handy dandy scissors. Ask an adult before you use it. Ooh, let's see. I forgot what it's called. Oh, it's squishy. Not really, but it's squishy. I'm gonna put it there for now. Anyways, guys, here is the next one. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here because it doesn't come with anything. Hey, I got its sister. Amazing. I'm just gonna put them right there for now. Why the heck do you keep falling? What the heck is that? No, that's pudding. No, it's pudding. I just found out. That's pudding. Not this. You're so good. It's a green cake. What's green cake? I've never seen green cake. It's made out of leaves, maybe, because there's a leaf. Oh, it's tea cake. Sorry about this moment, but it's really nice. Next is love. I thought it was made out of leaves because there's a leaf. Barely can breathe. Next is this. Okay. Oh, that's really cute. This is the brother and sister. The one
down.
Finally, they found the home. They finally got.
Oh, they're partners.
It says all separately right there. Just kidding.
No, it's upside down. There. Hurry up. I kept saying it's upside down.
Which one? Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. I could just leave you on the ground. I think this one is a cake thing.
No.
Aww.
Pretty fun.
Oh, I didn't get the rare. Sorry about the spam. But here are two of this cakes. It comes from different. It's from the same thing but different. So, yes. Yes, cool. I can't stop laughing. It's kind of scary. Yes. Here's the other one. If you saw my last video, then you would know where it came from. So yes. And go check out my other video if you want to see what these ones look like. So I hope you guys like my video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe right now. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. No, not next week. Next time. I already did. Oh my gosh. Bye.